When it comes to improving your home's entrance, choosing the right door material is one of the most important decisions you'll make. The material you select for your Scott door installation affects not only how your door looks but also how it performs, impacting durability, insulation, security, and maintenance over time. Whether you're replacing an existing door or building a new entryway, understanding your options will help you make a confident, long-lasting investment. The importance of door material. A door does much more than provide access to your home. It's a first impression, a security feature, and a key player in your home's energy efficiency. The right material can withstand your local climate, resist wear and tear, and elevate your home's appearance. Because of this, Scott Door offers a range of materials designed to meet diverse needs, budgets, and styles. Wood doors. Classic beauty and warmth. Wood remains a timeless favorite for homeowners who value natural beauty and craftsmanship. Each wood door is unique, with rich textures and grains that add warmth and charm to any entryway. Popular species include mahogany, oak, maple, and fir, each offering distinct color tones and durability. Pros: unmatched aesthetic appeal and customizability. Can be stained or painted in any finish. Excellent insulation properties. Cons: requires periodic maintenance such as sealing or refinishing. More susceptible to warping, rotting, or swelling in humid climates. If you love traditional architecture or want a statement front door, wood may be the perfect choice. Just be prepared to maintain it properly to preserve its elegance for years. Steel doors. Strength and security. Steel doors are a top choice for homeowners who prioritize safety and durability. Made with a solid steel outer layer and an insulated core, these doors are built to resist extreme weather and forced entry attempts. Pros: superior strength and impact resistance, low maintenance and long lifespan, excellent insulation and energy efficiency. Cons: can dent if hit hard, limited design flexibility compared to wood or fiberglass. Scott Door's steel options often include high-quality coatings and smooth finishes that mimic painted wood, offering both style and substance. They're ideal for homeowners who want dependable protection without sacrificing design appeal. Fiberglass doors. Versatile and low-maintenance, fiberglass doors combine the best features of both wood and steel. They are strong, energy efficient, and capable of mimicking the look of natural wood grain while requiring minimal upkeep. Modern fiberglass doors from Scott Door are engineered to withstand heavy use and harsh weather without cracking, denting, or fading. Pros: excellent durability and weather resistance. Can replicate the look of real wood. Little to no maintenance required. Great insulation performance. Cons: slightly higher upfront cost than steel. Some low-quality versions can look artificial for most homeowners. Fiberglass doors strike the perfect balance between style, performance, and value. They're especially popular in areas with fluctuating temperatures or moisture. Aluminum and glass doors. Modern and lightweight. If your design leans contemporary, aluminum and glass doors offer sleek lines and natural light. Aluminum is rust-resistant, lightweight, and customizable with a variety of finishes, while tempered glass panels add a modern touch. Pros: modern aesthetic appeal, resistant to corrosion and easy to clean, ideal for patio or side entrances. Cons: less insulating than solid materials, may show scratches or fingerprints easily. For Scott Door installations focused on style and openness, aluminum and glass combinations can provide the perfect modern accent. Making the right choice. When choosing the right door material, consider your climate, security needs, maintenance preferences, and design goals. A wood door adds charm, a steel door delivers strength, fiberglass offers all-around performance, and aluminum or glass enhances modern aesthetics. Scott Door professionals can help assess your home's specific needs and recommend the best material to match your lifestyle and budget. Final thoughts: your front door is more than an entryway. It's a statement about your home and how you care for it. By selecting the right material for your Scott Door installation, you're investing in lasting beauty, comfort, and peace of mind. Whether you value timeless design, robust security, or effortless maintenance, there's a Scott Door material that perfectly fits your vision and your home.